So you're about to do the laundry, and what do you spy on a shirt? You spy lipstick. So what are you going to do? Well, first, of course, you're going to make sure that it's your color and not anybody else's, for sure, if it's your husband's shirt. But then you want to make sure you can get it out. And the first thing you want to look for is hairspray. You're just going to spray it on. Put a good heavy coat on. Let it sit for a few minutes and then start and blot. And just keep blotting until you absorb all of that lipstick that you can. Then you'll launder as usual. Now what you can also use if you don't have hairspray, which who doesn't have hairspray, right? We're gonna take some rubbing alcohol and put onto the lipstick, and we're gonna do the same thing. And that's just simply blot, 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 until it's completely gone. So lipstick on your collar will never tell a tale on you. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.